so let's play the is this a function game. Is this one a function?
Yes.
Yes.
What are we checking for? What's the thing about functions?
One input, one output.
And that's
Or
Yeah.
input.
Every input has one and only one output, right?
yes. Function.
Okay, so
That's function.
yes? No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
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 Yeah, this is okay. There's a kind of a bizarre thing, right? I didn't say every output has one and only one input, right? It's predictability from the input standpoint. So if I input 0, I get 3 out. I don't have an input that goes 2 places. You guys see that? All my inputs go the same place,
So they don't go.
right? So if I thought about this as an arrow diagram, I maybe would say 0 goes to 3, right?
Yeah.
Where does 1 go?
To three.
I could draw this arrow, right? It might be more honest for me to say this kind of arrowing, right?
Yeah.
1 goes to 3. Where does negative 1 go?
Goes to three.
Oh, it also goes to 3.
Goes to
Where's 2 go?
To 3.
three.
Also to 3. And negative 2 goes
Three.
also to 3. So collapsing is allowed. Yes, this thing is a function. How about this thing?
No.
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 Why not?
Because three.
Because it's
yes.
three.
Isn't it collapsing still?
Different. No.
No.
No, this is uncollapsing, right? This is kind of scattershotting. So if I drew this as an arrow diagram, I would really have 3 going all of these places, right? This is the 50-cent gumball machine that turns it into all sorts of junk, right? This is no, not a function. Wow.
That worked well.
And
Oh.
hey.
Victory is mine.
I didn't see it. Look out.
That one doesn't work either.
Logan's diagram.
No, that's not a function. I made one this morning. Logan had to live that. You guys don't know Logan. He used to tease me about my inability to get the trash can. All right, so how about this thing?
It's a function.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
But it doesn't do anything.
It's fine.
Should be fine.
So each input has one.
Yeah, that's fine. This is the kind of silly function that the machine's just a springboard, right? Whatever you give it, it gives it back. It's a perfectly valid machine. It's super predictable. How about this guy?
No.
Why not?
We got 2 3s in there.
Because there's 2 3s?
There's 2 zeros.
So there's 2 places that 0 goes is maybe more of the problem. You guys see that? The 3s are actually fine, right?
Yes.
Because they're a collapse. It's the scatter shot that's happening with the zeros that's the problem. So if I was to arrow diagram this,
We type 0.
The three.
yeah, 0 has to go to both 2 and 3, right?
Yeah.
So this is no, not a function. All right, for the others, the graphs, uh-oh.
Yes. No. Yes.
What are you using?
Vertical line test.
Yeah, so do you guys remember the vertical line test? The vertical line test says if I have some kind of picture in the plane, right? And I want to know if it's the graph of a function. Really, I'm checking, does each input have one and only one output, right? Okay, so I get my yardstick. And I go, okay, inputs are on the x-axis, right? Outputs are going to be spots that are colored above those. So for this one, I just say, okay, I'm just going to check all the inputs, man. So I'm just going to run this across and see if it ever hits more than once. On this one, it doesn't. So this top one, it is or isn't a function?
Is.
Is a function. Yes. Graph of a function. How about this thing? Let's do that one later. How about this thing?
No.
Why?
It's twice.
Twice?
Or 3 times.
Yeah, you guys see that? Like sometimes it touches once. Those spots are fine. It's this spot in here that's going to cause me problems where I get 3 hits, right? So that's like, okay, here's a vertical line. It's got 3 hits. Not a function. How about the funky smiley face
Not
guy?
a function.
No, I mean, some spots don't hit at all. That's actually okay on graphs. But over here, I've got problems, right?
And then you got the nose.
And then I got the nose, which gives me 3. Yeah, this one's busted. No, that one's not a function. How about this case?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Wait, no.
No.
Those are not.
You guys hear that?
That's right.
Yeah, so like, we're fine, we're fine, we're fine, we're fine.
Oh God.
Wow! That's scattershotting in the worst possible way, right? Because that input would correspond to
Every all things.
not,
Every out.
yeah, not just a couple outputs, but all the outputs. You guys see that?
So is it like that?
So no, that one's not a function.
Yeah, I do like that one.
second one.
It's like this one in a way worse way. You guys cool?
Okay.
All right, awesome.